Hi guys, this is Rajesh Singh, your trainer, and you are watching Ayansh Tutorials. In this video, you are going to revise direct and indirect speech. We also call narrations or reporting. In this chapter, we are going to revise interrogative narration in this very video. So watch this video from beginning to end without a skip. Topic covered: how to change interrogative sentences into indirect speech. So guys, before starting, I would like to request you to please subscribe my YouTube channels. Rule 1. When a direct speech sentence begins with an auxiliary verb or helping verb, the joining clause will be if or whether. We can use either connector if or whether. Example, he said, will you come to the party? In indirect, we can write, he asked whether we would come to the party. In place of whether, we can also use if. That would be grammatical correct. He asked if we would come to the party. There is no difference in meaning. Next rule, no conjunction is used if a sentence in direct speech begins with a question, such as what, where, when. Next rule, question word itself acts as a joining clause. So we need not to use any connector. Example, where do you live? Asked the girl. Answer, in indirect speech, the girl asked where I lived. Means without connector, we have changed the sentence into indirect speech. So we should keep in our mind that when WH word sentence begins, then we should not use any connector. When a direct question begins with a WH word and the negative form of the verb to do, we used to retain the verb to do in the indirect questions because it is the verb to do which carries the tense. Example, Ali said, who doesn't want sugar in the tea? Answer, Ali asked who didn't want sugar in the tea. So, in direct speech, they doesn't negative verb, and indirect also we used didn't negative verb. So we have liberty to use verb here. Now remark it, reporting verbs said or said to changes to inquired, asked or wanted to know. Example, she said to me, what are you writing? She asked me what I was writing. Guys, thank you for watching my videos. Visit my channel again.